Hello, welcome back to ICT Trading Concept. How are you all? I'm fine. So today's video I'm gonna explain about the Thursday's narrative. I have already made the video from Monday to Wednesday narrative. If you didn't watch them, please go back and watch them. If you understand the narrative of daily basis, okay, then trading will be very easy for you. Trust me, brother. It will be like the drinking water. So I'm gonna explain what should our expectation from Thursday. uh, all of you already know that until Wednesday we expect the accumulation phase, then Tuesday manipulation phase. After Tuesday, in Wednesday we actually expect the expansion phase, and in Thursday we expect the continuation of the expansion. Okay, so this is the the expansion phase from Wednesday. After that, this is the closing of yesterday, from Wednesday 5 p.m. and this is the opening from Wednesday 6 p.m. Okay, so this is the gap. I mark them as a new day opening gap. It is very important. Please mark them as well. It is very important to justify the direction. Okay, so if you mark them, it will be much more potential for you. Trust me, brother. And this is 15-minute chart. So this is the midnight trading and then London session. In London session, market was going up. This is 9:30 candle. As I told you, we are looking for entries after 9:30. I love to trade New York AM session and New York PM session. I don't trade the London session. That's why I will talk about from New York AM session. Okay, so at 9:30, New York AM session actually started for me. So this is 9:30 candle, and you can see it actually traded the new day opening gap. It has cleaned all the buy side liquidity over there. As our expectation is market will go low, this should be the continuation of the expansion from Wednesday. Okay, so Wednesday we see the lower run, so I'm expecting the lower run as well. I'm not actually so much tensed when market was going higher. Just let me actually start from here. That will be much more easier to tell you. So when price was going higher, I wasn't I wasn't worried about that, because I know the narrative from Thursday. It should be the expansion. Now every time you will expect this will work. No, not every time, but 80 to 90% time you will see Thursday will be the continuation of the Wednesday expansion. Okay, so when price is over there at 9:30, I go to 1 minute chart, but as it was true before, the 1 minute chart didn't load over here. Let me show you. Okay, if I press the 1 minute chart, then it doesn't come over here. I don't have the data from 1 minute, so I will go to 2 minute chart. I will show you the setup. Look over here, this is 2 minute chart, and if you go 1 minute chart, I actually trade 1 minute chart, but it is the same. Okay, so this candle actually made two candle from 1 minute chart. It's kind of same thing. So you see this is 9:30 candle, price went higher. It has taken all the buy side liquidity, traded the new day opening gap, consequent encroachment, then it broke. Okay, this is my market structure shift. Look over here, this candle is my market structure shift. Let me actually mark this market structure shift. So this is my market structure shift. Why I have marked this low? Why this is my market structure shift? But look this candle. This candle week actually trade this fair value gap, little fair value gap. Look over here. Clearly there is a fair value gap. So it has traded this fair value gap. That is the reason for marking this low as my market structure shift. So this is my market structure shift. After market structure shift, I got the fair value gap. This is my fair value gap. Okay, so this is my fair value gap. When price came to this fair value gap, specifically this fair value gap, I will take my entry. I will believe that market will go lower. Now where will be my stop loss? I can put my stop loss above that high. That is different thing. If you actually if you have any trade management setup or something, so this would be more conservative people, they can put like that way. And where will be my target? I know that market will go lower, but I really love to mark the equal highs or equal lows as my sell side liquidity. So in my opinion, this is my sell side liquidity. You see this low and this low, they are relatively equal low, so I will target until here. Now the risk reward ratio, it's near about 1:1.5. But if you put over here, if I would take my entry, and I also actually took that entry to live, I put my stop loss over there. So if I put it over there, then it it's kind of 1:1.8 something. But you know, market will go lower, so there's some other specific level over here, and the consequent encroachment of the monthly fair value gap. So if you would like to mark this low as your target, it's up to you. So you can mark that on as well. uh, how do you know that market will go over there? Because you know this is the continuation of the expansion. Expansion means market will go lower. Okay, let's see what price actually did. It went lower, and okay, so if I target it over there, my trade is already done. It's near about 100 handle. It's huge, brother, trust me. And if you go to 1 minute chart, you will see some kind of relatively equal lows over there, and your entry will be more precise over there. I mean, you don't need to put your stop loss above there. The stop loss was like somewhere here, okay, somewhere here, because I saw the breaker over there from 1 minute chart, but and the entry was not there. Entry was somewhere here. So far I remember, entry was somewhere here. So it was like, it was a very nice trade. Okay, so the risk reward ratio was near about 1:3.5, but I'm unable to go to 1 minute chart. That's why I'm showing you from 2 minute chart, and 2 minute chart it's little different, but the theme is same. Okay, so that should be your entry over there. Now let me actually little bit go higher over there. I would like to complete. Okay, let me go to the 50 minute chart first, and okay, so is that 12? Okay, so look over here. Price, when price actually came here, went above, traded this 50-minute fair value gap, it went lower, it has made another 15-minute fair value gap over there. Okay, just let me clean all of this. Another 15-minute fair value gap is here. Let me mark this one. This is another 15-minute fair value gap. Now when price will go above again, let me go over there. Okay, it came here. What will you expect? Market will go higher? No, this is the expansion. Expansion phase means when market is going higher, it is actually going higher to a specific level. Maybe it's going to balance an imbalance, or trading imbalance place. It is going higher because of that. Okay, it's going up to actually for retracement. It came here. I will go to 1 minute chart again, as I can't go over there, so I'm going to 2 minute chart. It came here. I will look for another short entry over there if it is inside the PM session. So you can see when it came here, it was 232. So it is very easier for me to look for a setup over there. And let me show you, is there any setup or not? Okay, so price went little bit higher again, and at last it broke down over there. There is the market structure shift over here. I mean, when price actually came here, it gave me the market structure shift over there, and I would look for another entry over there. The same thing again and again. Look over here. Okay, just let me show it to you. It's almost 4, so whatever. In 1 minute chart, there was another market structure shift was over there, and a trade, I mean, fair value gap trading was over there. So there was another entry, and that was my sell side liquidity. I am showing this every day in my life. So if you have any confusion, you can join to my live. I can promise you, your trading style will be totally different if you join to my live for 1 week. I can assure you that. So that is all for today's video. I really love to see the expansion phase from continuation of the expansion phase in Thursday from Wednesday chart, and when market actually go against my bias, I wait to let it go to an imbalanced place. Okay, market actually go to an imbalanced place, then it broke down again. I expect this from Thursday. So that's all for today. I hope you will understand this, but if you don't understand anything from here, you can actually comment, and comment below to this video. I'll try to reply you. I believe me, I always try to reply the people who actually interested to learn. But if still you are confused, then you can join to my live, and you can ask the question, or you can clear your confusion from the live. Okay, so that's all for today. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, share the video so that new people can know about this type of things. That will be really grateful, I mean very helpful for me. See you. Bye bye.